What's good, YouTube? It's DStar718 and I'm back with another video. Got an unboxing. Ordered these on Thursday. Got these on Supreme website. So you get the shoes in the Supreme bag. So they do ship the shoes in the bag. Put the white Supreme bag. Got this chain in the bag. I guess this fell off the hang tag. You got two Supreme sticker. Alright, so we got the black 14 box. We got the red Jumpman on the top. We got Supreme right here on the side. And we have Air Jordan 14 Retro S, price $248. And this box is pretty strong and sturdy. It's stronger than the regular release gray box that the 13 and the 14s come in. You got that black plastic. Alright, so we got the black and Varsity Royal Supreme 14s. On the bottom, you got that black herringbone traction with 14 in red right here. Then you have the red Jumpman in the middle. You got this silver shank plate right here that goes across the bottom. Then you have a black midsole with that blue. You got a little glitter in the blue. I don't know if y'all could see it. Then on the front, you got a nice suede. It does color shift. You got that you got that varsity blue Jumpman right there on the toe box. Then you have a nice tumble leather. You got a nice black tumble leather with the studs on the side. And you got the studs back here in the emblem. And you have the Jordan emblem with a black Jumpman and a black Supreme. That's pretty dope. I like that. The leather is pretty nice, and the back, I think I like the back the best. It just the back look pretty dope. You got that white Jumpman, white 23, and you got that red Supreme right there, same as the box logo on the t-shirts. Then the leather is soft and pretty nice. It's a pretty good leather. You can see when I rub my fingers across, you see the tumble and softness. You got that little Varsity Royal blue on the back heel right here. On the medial side, you got a lot more studs on the leather. Then you got black laces, black tongue, got that suede on the tongue. Then on the top of the tongue, you got Supreme in white, and you have this gray. It does come with blue laces, come with that varsity blue lace. And on the lace tips is metal on the lace tips, and it does have Supreme on the lace tips. I'm trying to get it to focus. Does have Supreme right there on both lace tips. Then on the blue tips also says Supreme on the blue lace tips. Also says Supreme right there. Behind the tongue, you have 14 in white. Then you have the new tag with the QR code right there. Inside you have a black sock liner with a red insole. You have a black sock liner, red insole, white Jumpman, and a red Supreme on the insole. So I'm feeling this colorway more than the white pair. It just give it a little bit more flavor with the black and the blue. The white and black is just a little bit plain, and I feel like these are gonna be a little bit more special because these only release on the Supreme website, and I think the white pair is gonna be on Supreme website and on the Supreme website and on the app. So I think these are a little bit more special in my opinion, and I'm feeling these more. I'm still gonna try to get the white pair. So let me know what y'all think, which one I feel it more, these or the white pair. So these are not bad. I see a lot of people talk about the studs. The studs are not that bad. If you get some Louboutins, they have spikes and studs all over them. These are not bad to me. And it does come with that Supreme hang tag, just like the fives. The Supreme fives got the same hang tag. Same thing on the insole on this. Does have that vent right there on the side, and that goes on the inside. So these are not bad in my opinion. I think they're pretty dope. On the website you only could get one. I tried to get the other white pair, but they wouldn't let me. I even changed name and card information, everything. They still wouldn't let me get it. But I got these because I just like this color a little bit better than the white. The white is just pretty plain, just all white. So I think these are a little bit better in my opinion. But I'm still gonna try and get the white on the app. But let me know what y'all think about these, if y'all feeling these or not, if y'all pick them up, if y'all think they're dope, if you think like this color better or the white pair better. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for that on foot.
perfect.